Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked about some changes coming to at Microsoft Edge, and that was that you could log in to the Microsoft Edge browser with a Google account, and this actually started now. If you have the latest version of Edge, you're on 150. Edge 150 lets you log in to Edge browser and sync your data with a Gmail account, which was not possible before, only worked with a Microsoft account. But now, surprise, surprise, Microsoft has been pushing a Microsoft account for years and just wanted to use only Microsoft accounts for everything. Is now, and this is from Windows latest, they actually found out that this is coming. You will be able to sign in to a Bing account using a Gmail or an Apple account. An Apple account is like what? So now that they are here, it seems that everybody's welcome, which is an interesting change and an interesting change in mentality where they simply were thinking that only Microsoft accounts would be used. So, what's the idea behind this? Have more people sign into the different services? Maybe, because some people refuse to make a Microsoft account. This is interesting. So, yep, this is apparently coming now that you'll be able to use the Bing search and log in with a Gmail or an Apple account, and that's going to work. So, surprise, surprise, it's, Microsoft trying to do things, I guess. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.